Spread the fun around with these do-it-yourself sprinkle stencils from Confection Couture. After making your royal icing in a frosting consistency, place your stencil over a piece of wax paper. Next, use a spatula to spread the icing in a thick layer over the entire stencil. Use a cookie stencil scraper to press the icing into the stencil while keeping the layer nice and thick. Carefully peel the stencil away from the wax paper, taking care not to smear the icing beneath. Now, place the sheet aside and wait for the icing to dry completely. Repeat for all other colors and/or stencil designs. After the icing has hardened completely, use your multi-tool to carefully free each sprinkle, if necessary, curling the wax paper underneath. Your sprinkles are now ready to take your baking project to the next level. For more tips and ideas, visit ConfectionCoutureStencils.com.